Welcome back. I hope you remember where you are. Let's get started then. Remember the imaginary line linking the North and South Pole? That's called the Earth's axis. The Earth's axis is actually tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees. But why does that matter? What does it mean for Earth? Not too sure? Need a hint? The axial tilt causes seasons. It also causes differences in the length of days and nights. We're going to look at seasons first. The Earth is divided into the northern and southern hemispheres by an imaginary line called the equator. When the southern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, it is summer, while in the northern hemisphere, it'll be winter. In January, the southern hemisphere is pointing towards the sun. 6 months later, in June, the northern hemisphere is pointing towards the sun. At different times of the year, the sun hits the Earth at different angles. We have direct sunlight and indirect sunlight. Direct sunlight hits a smaller area of the Earth than indirect sunlight. Look at the different sizes of these two circles. Because direct sunlight hits a smaller area, it is more intense and therefore hotter. So now we know that the tilt of the Earth causes the seasons. But how does it cause differences in day and night length? We already know that the rotation of the Earth around its axis causes day and night. But as you can see, the amount of light and shadow in the northern and southern hemispheres is not equal. In summer, when the southern hemisphere is facing the sun, we have longer days and shorter nights. But remember, in the northern hemisphere, it's winter, so they have longer nights and shorter days. 6 months later, when the northern hemisphere is again tilted towards the sun, they will have longer days, and the southern hemisphere will have shorter days. If you don't quite understand, don't worry. Head over to the Moodle and complete the simulation. Then come back for another quick quiz.